Oh, well hello there. Don't mind me, I'm just practicing for Halloween, getting a head start. You know how it goes. Greenwashing, yeah? Hello my friends. In today's video, we are going to be talking all about Goop Dupes. That's a title and a tongue twister. Try saying that one 5 times fast. Today's video was suggested by the lovely Maya Emma Jade. Thank you so much for this suggestion because not only am I going to take it, but I am going to run with it. I am not going to spend a lot of today's video talking about the reasons why I don't like Goop. I'm just going to link you a video instead if you want to know everything kind of wrong with the brand. Cynical Reviews has an excellent video on the topic, just covering everything with Gwyneth's extreme Dunning-Kruger effect. She is such a good example of the Dunning-Kruger effect, which is where somebody learns a little tiny bit and suddenly thinks they know absolutely everything, far more than, you know, medical experts. But somehow, and I emphasize somehow, the brand is now carried on the Sephora website, which I would say, I hate to say, but it seems to give the brand a little bit of validity. Ew, Sephora, what are you doing? Anyway, we're going to go through the products that are on the Sephora website. We're going to talk a little bit about the ingredients, and I'm going to talk to you about what reading about these products reminds me of from the many other skincare products that I have tried. It's a lot. It's definitely a lot. But let's go over these products together. I've got them sorted by best selling. So that means we're going to be starting with the Goop Glow Microderm Instant Glow Exfoliator. This product is $125 for 1.7 ounces and has 732 reviews. So we're going to look at the ingredients and the how to use. So in the ingredients, they're saying they have micro exfoliating minerals, quartz, garnet, alumina, and silica, instantly polish and buff, dead perhaps, dull, dry skin, glycolic acid, and AHA, the gold standard in chemical exfoliation to remove dead skin and support natural cell turnover. And Australian Kadaku Plum helps improve skin luminosity with 100 times more vitamin C than an orange. So I'm gathering from those ingredients that this is going to be one of those products that gives you both chemical and physical exfoliation at the same time. There's quite a few other brands that have gone with this approach. Some examples would be, oh goodness, Glam Glow definitely had masks like this, the Philosophy Exfoliator, the 2-step exfoliator, even Wishful Beauty's scrub, but probably to a lesser extent, as I think that one is probably a little more gentle. This sounds a little more on the harsh side, especially alongside that AHA. How to use, they say massage onto clean, damp skin using circular motions, rinse off with warm water or leave on for 2 to 3 minutes, pat dry. Use 2 to 3 times a week. So after reading all of that, I do have 2 dupes, one that I think is a little closer than the other. So I'm going to start with the Philosophy MICRODELIVERY peel. I do think this is going to be close, but not quite the same. What this does is you have vitamin C crystals in this, and then the activator itself is a blend of lactic and salicylic. It's a great product. It definitely does give results. If you're looking for something that is an even closer dupe, I really think the Dr. LILIFAN Probiotic All-in-One Microderm Abrasion Kit is going to be extremely close. She has the same dual phase system as Philosophy, but the second ingredient in the activator is indeed glycolic acid. These are fantastic products that I personally don't use tremendously often just because I'm constantly testing out other exfoliating products, and you can certainly overdo this type of product. They're not kidding when they say 2 to 3 times a week maximum because, again, these are strong. You're getting physical exfoliation and chemical in the same product. Do not overdo these. But I do feel like I can also see why the Goop product has such a high rating. Again, I do think these are very effective, and if you're not already, you know, tremendously immersed in the skincare world, these could be the kind of products that are very game-changing. But you know, if you're really into skincare and you already have a glycolic toner, a glycolic peel, you may not want to incorporate something as strong as that product. All right, let's see what's next on this list. Well, aside from the mini size, which is $42 for a ½ ounce, my goodness. Then we have the Goop Glow 15% glycolic acid overnight glow peel. This one is $125 for 12 pads? Does Gwyneth Paltrow have any idea the price of skincare, or did she just guess in the same way as Bill Gates guessing the price of pizza rolls?
I'll go with 22. No, 15.
And there's a mini size, $45 for, oh my goodness. Oh, okay, 1,127 reviews with an average of 4.3 stars. Whoa, how many people paid $125 for 12 cotton-soaked pads? Ingredients: glycolic acid at 15%. I will say it is nice to have that transparency here. Australian Kadaku plum, 3 molecular sizes of hyaluronic acid. Okay, well, this doesn't actually sound like it's going to be that different from the first product. And again, this is a case where I hope that nobody buys both of these together because it could be way too much for your skin. But I'm gonna say, on the topic of peel pads, I have yet to ever find a peel as effective as the Dr. Dennis Gross Alpha Beta Extra Strength Peel. These are a little different from what Gwyneth has in that these are glycolic, lactic, and salicylic, and I think they're excellent, especially for people with acne like myself. Let's see what they say for how to use this product. So before bed, wash and dry skin, apply the innovative pre-soaked dual textured pad evenly over face, neck, chest, and shoulders. Dual-sided pad allows for custom exfoliation. One side has a special basket weave pattern for more intense exfoliation, and the other has a smoother side for buff and polish. Do not rinse off. Apply moisturizer after 15 minutes if you like. So it is a little different from my all-time favorite peel, but I was not about to be defeated over here by a Goop product. I went on a quest to see if this is truly as innovative as they are saying. So I was on the Ulta website and I saw that TULA, which is a brand I have tried, although not this particular product, TULA has the Instant Facial Dual Phase Skin Reviving Treatment Pads, which says 1 pad, 2 sides. 2 minutes gives you baby, soft, smooth, and brighter looking skin. And these are $59 for 16. Still a little pricey, but this looks like the same idea. Again, a little different. They are using lactic acid as well as some enzyme ingredients, but also some probiotics. I do like that approach from TULA, the probiotic focus. Probiotics have gone well for me. Probiotics are in the last product that I recommended. I have one more dupe that these remind me of, and it is a product that I've tried but I no longer have. This is the BLISS That's Incredipeel pads. These are 15 for $24. So we're certainly getting into much more fair pricing, and to just be completely honest with you, I don't think that the idea of glycolic in a pad is really all that revolutionary, but that is what BLISS has here. I mean, you could also take The Ordinary's glycolic toner and put it on a cotton pad. You could do that. So that brings us to the Goop G.Tox, oh lord, G.Tox Malachite and AHA Pore Refining Tonic. This is $75 for 3.2 ounces. How does this have 1 review if it's next on your bestsellers, Sephora? Anyway, this is a toner that contains malachite extract, rich in copper, helps detoxify pores and supports natural cellular defense. Acid blend 15%. We had a little more transparency in the last product. Looks like this will be, yeah, more than 1 acid in here. And then hyaluronic acid. How to use is really quite intuitive if you are familiar with toners, and I must say it is very convenient that Sephora has listed as similar products the product that I am about to mention as a similar product. Saturday Skin's 10% glycolic pore control. I always forget that this one has a different name listed. So pore clarifying toner, 10% glycolic acid plus pore control complex. So this is a 10% glycolic product right here. Could be very close to the level in the product by Goop. I would personally say this one looks like a better choice for quite a few reasons, one of which is Saturday Skin always uses this multi-peptide blend in their products, and I noticed that Goop only uses 1 peptide. And what's the price here? So this one is $30 for 4.22 ounces. Again though, if you're looking for much more affordable and less irritants, The Ordinary's glycolic acid 7% toning solution is $8.70. I no longer have this product, but this is one I tried quite a while ago. Again, you're probably seeing that this is a lot of glycolic products. I cannot imagine making a full routine from Goop products. Oh my goodness. In the event you're watching this video and you've used a ton of Goop products and your skin is not looking that great, I'll link you my my video on the moisture barrier. Okay, let's move on. We have the Goop Glow 20% Vitamin C and Hyaluronic Glow Serum for $125. What size? Oh, I see. So she's got 6 grams, 0.20 ounces of powder, and then 0.78 fluid ounces of the activator. So it's going to be one of those two-step systems, giving you 1 ounce in total. 1 ounce for $125. I swear, you might as well burn your money. This one actually doesn't have very good reviews. 14 reviews, 3 out of 5 stars. Let's see what happened here. So the ingredients are L-ascorbic, which is what I expected given the two-part system here. Also hyaluronic acid and Kadaku plum. I don't really see, this is just me talking about my own thoughts here for a second. I don't really see an added advantage of putting more vitamin C into a 20% L-ascorbic. The studies on vitamin C are pretty interesting. Basically, if you're going higher than 20%, you may not have any extra benefit. In fact, it may actually be detrimental to your skin. So I've never quite understood the point of that. 4 1-star reviews. So we've got Pore packaging. The liquid portion arrived unsealed and spilled. Nope, there's no reason for this price tag, not when similar products that outperform this one easily are a fraction of the cost. I do agree with you, reviewer. Save your money. I admit it, I love all things Goop except this. Smell weird, consistency weird. Yeah, L-ascorbic doesn't actually smell all that great. Better option, The Ordinary sells L-ascorbic powder for under $6. Great. Yeah, The Ordinary's is $5.80 for 0.7 ounces of 100% L-ascorbic powder. You can mix it into your products, whatever you want to do with it. Do keep in mind, though, that not everybody can use L-ascorbic. I just talked about this so much in my last video that I'm just going to go ahead and link that. Talked about my favorite at the moment, 20% vitamin C. I do think that is the ideal level. Let's see what they're saying as the similar products here. So Drunk Elephant C Firma Vitamin C Serum, yes indeed, that would be similar as that is L-ascorbic. I don't know if I agree with most of these similar products here. Banana Bright from Ole Henriksen, that's a completely different form of vitamin C, but again, you may find that the derivatives work better for you. So yeah, you know, overall the dupe I would say here is The Ordinary's. So I'm actually amazed at how many supplements are included in the Goop brand. It looks like we only have 2 more products to talk about in today's video that are actually skincare. And both of these are brand new, so they don't have any reviews yet. But we have the Goopgenes All-in-One Nourishing Eye Cream. $55 for 0.5 ounces. I feel like that's the most fair price I've seen on any Goop product, but let's see what we got in the ingredients here. Plant-based ceramides, Shiseido fruit, and Arjuna. Looking at the actual ingredients here, I see that it is high in glycerin and squalane, which makes me excited because I can talk about a recent favorite eye cream. Roughly the same price, but I do feel confident telling you that you don't need a lot of this product, and that is the BIOSSANGE Squalane and Marine Algae Eye Cream, $54 for 0.5 ounces. Of course, this one is also high in squalane, and it's going to give you antioxidants, and I think that was the other main appeal of the Goop eye cream. You were getting a long list of plant extracts, which are full of antioxidants, so yeah, I'd say this is probably going to be similar. But it looks like nobody knows yet, as neither of these products are actually released. And that brings us to the last product, and that is Goopgenes. Goopgenes. All-in-one Nourishing Face Cream, $95 for 1.7 ounces. Woo, what is unique here? So we've got plant-based ceramides, Shiseido fruit, and Alipe butter. So that's kind of interesting. Alipe butter is kind of like cocoa butter in its texture. Let's see if that's high in the ingredients. All right, it actually is. So water, glycerin, the Alipe butter, squalane. Okay, so this looks like it's going to be a fairly occlusive moisturizer from the first few ingredients. And they are saying in the product details, a luxuriously rich, clinically tested super cream. See, the thing that makes moisturizer special and the reason you should be using it is that it does form an occlusive layer on your skin, which prevents water loss from happening through the day. And as long as we're talking about luxuriously rich with lots of antioxidants in it, I yet again have to pull from my favorites and say the Dr. Dennis Gross Stress Repair Face Cream. So this one is very, very rich and very loaded with antioxidants plus adaptogens. This is truly a wonderful face cream. But again, moisturizer really is a simple product. You do not have to splurge here if you don't want to, and you want ceramides, well, we got ceramides. CeraVe Moisturizing Cream, I just genuinely don't think you are going to get more affordable with this. Of course, you know, when you get into the drugstore range, sometimes the formulation of a product doesn't agree with everybody's skin. This one is certainly a very heavy, rich moisturizer. But that is it. Those are my thoughts on Goop products. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. I hope you all know that you do not ever have to pay Goop prices in order to have a good skincare routine. If you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you all next time.